Today, I'm using natural full coverage stiletto nails by ECBasket. Silver chrome, black matte, pink glossy, and beautiful rhinestones. This will be part of my Bougie Nails on a Budget series. Hey NailTubers, what is up Nailification Squad? The weather is beautiful today and I'm having an easy, relaxed editing day. My name is Tommy and I'm a licensed nail tech. Bougie Nails on a Budget is a well-enjoyed series with other content on my channel like acrylics, gel and polygel, dip nails, and product unboxings. I post on Tuesdays and Thursdays or on other days with random content, so consider subscribing to my channel as you enjoy today's Bougie Nails on a Budget. I thought I was done and ready for the accent nails. So this set had been done for about a week or so and I've been waiting for you to see it. So I hope you like it as much as I do. If you've been watching for a while, you know I'm loving this metallic so much. You know, I can't remember if I did 2 coats or 3 coats, but either way, it's an absolutely gorgeous color, isn't it? The special thing about this set is I combined variants of polish textures, a chrome, a matte, and a glossy. I started with metallic on 3 of the fingers. Now y'all know that's been my pattern. Then when I took the 2 off the stand to start the accent design, I went ahead and painted the whole nails metallic and used the other colors over it, which was done differently on the other hand. Those were painted in sections, but the results are still the same. Everything I used will be in the description box for you. Also, I wanted to be sure to mention the tips of these nails have been refined into the stiletto shape you're seeing. I said before, they come with more of an almond shape, and my preference is to refine them more into the stiletto that I like. I just wanted to be sure to mention that in case you order them and they don't look like they do in my videos. And if you do happen to order them, it only takes very little filing to get them into this shape. So, I do have an announcement. The reason I didn't mention the masked finger earlier in the greeting is because in case you didn't happen to catch it, tomorrow's masked finger will be a finale. And the final character is going to be another amazing one that I know everyone will like. So be sure to come enjoy the fun, cheering it on to take it off, take it off. And we can't wait to see you there. For these accent nails, I polish a random curve of black matte, then a random curve of pink glossy. It was a little awkward for me because I wasn't using the long brush that I'm accustomed to. I couldn't remember where I stored it after I used it now that I have 2 nail areas. And the difference is the hair on this one is slightly stiffer than the other, but you know what? It still came out the way that I did vision it. The black looks so beautiful against the metallic, doesn't it? I wasn't trying to make all the nails look exactly the same either. I figured some pink would bring some femininity to the edgy look of the metal with the black matte. But you know what, in hindsight, I could have added a little more pink, but I'm still thrilled at how they turned out. At this point, I'm looking at it, debating on what to do, and decided to cover that whole area. As you continue to watch this, I didn't do a finishing top coat over this set. This would make this set a short-term wear because the metallic will begin to peel without being sealed. And I'm okay with that because they'll be coming off for another video. And I just didn't want to interfere with the contrasts in the different polishes. I really wished it showed up more in the camera, but I can always wear them again, which I will. I decided to do swirl with rhinestones in this set, and woo-wee, did it level this set up, honey. This right here is so me, literally. The black matte, which you know is my favorite color, coming from underneath the sparkle in the stones, guys, the stones. Then on top of that, the hint of pink gloss twirling around the outer edge. OMG. Do you like them? If you do, leave me a comment. I hope you enjoyed this. Remember to consider subscribing, and when you do, hit the nailification bell so you'll know when I upload again. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Much love.